Maybe it's just me. I get a call from this duct cleaning service every couple of weeks without fail. Hello, hi sir, are you looking for duct cleaning services? I go, no. Why would I want duct cleaning services? I never asked for it. I never filled out a form on a website. Nowhere did I ask or demonstrate in any way that I'm looking for duct cleaning services. Yet I get this call every couple of weeks. I call this indiscriminate selling, right? When you just blast out messages, phone calls, emails, LinkedIn messages indiscriminately to people who have never asked for the thing that you're selling. And there's three big problems with this approach. The first is it makes you look desperate. What does it tell me about the guy selling duct cleaning services calling me up in the middle of the day when I haven't said I need duct cleaning services? It tells me he must not be very good at duct cleaning. He looks desperate, right? The second problem with this is that it's offensive. You're interrupting me in the middle of the day, or even in the evening when I'm at dinner, at home with my family, in the middle of the day, in meetings, doing work. It's offensive. You're interrupting me. I'm not only not interested in duct cleaning, I'm annoyed and don't want to talk to you. That's not how you want to start a sales conversation. And the third problem with this is that it kills your confidence. If everybody that you talk to, everyone you reach out to is a little bit annoyed, doesn't want your help, doesn't need your service, or like 90% of them are acting that way, that's going to make you start to question sooner or later, maybe the thing that I'm selling is not very good. Maybe I'm not a very good duct cleaner, when that may not be true. You may be the best duct cleaner in this city, but if you're talking to people who don't need duct cleaning services, that's going to kill your confidence.